would say, let us put it to some other day. There will come a time when we'll have to talk about it. And the arbitral judgment is in a piece of paper with 4 corners. But that is not the time to do it. That is the time to prepare for the goodwill and then maybe the agenda of how to go about doing it.